Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will start question number 7, 8 from chapter 3, exercise 3.3. Chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals. In question number 7, the adjacent figure HOPE is a parallelogram. HOPE is a parallelogram. Find the measures of the unknown angles XYZ. You have to find the value of the angles X, Y and Z. State the property used to find them. Then whenever you will find these angles, whatever the properties you are using, you have to mention the properties. Now we want to find the angle of HOP, because if I find this angle, then which property you want to use to find this angle? See, it is a straight angle, and this portion is given 70 degree. So easily you can find this angle. This angle is, you can find this angle 180 minus 70. This is linear pair. So we are finding angle HOP. First of all, we want to find the angle HOP. Angle HOP plus P plus 70 degrees. It is already given. HOP plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree, because linear pair. Now HOP, angle HOP is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree, that is 110 degree. HOP is equal to 110 degree. As you have find out the value of HOP, that means you have got the value of this angle. This is 110 and it was already 70 degree, it was given 70 degree. Now with the help of this 110, can you find angle X? Yes, the reason is opposite angles of the parallelogram. Now angle X, the value of X is equal to 110. Why? The property you are using, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Are equal. So you have find out value X. Now you have to find out. Now students, see this angle, this line is EH. See, I have drawn EH here. PO, say it is PO. And this angle is 70 degree, it is given. This angle is 70 degree, it is given. Can I give the name of these two angles are corresponding angles? Because these two lines are parallel, opposite sides of the parallelogram. These two lines are parallel and HO is the transversal. So angle 70 and angle EHO is equal to both are corresponding angles and they are equal. So can I say that EHO is equal to PO, or this value is given 70 degree, because this angle and these angles are corresponding angles. Look at this figure. EHO is equal to 70 degree because both of them are corresponding angles. Is it clear? Now write it. Now EHO, you have seen that EHO is equal to 70 degree because corresponding angles, and we have explained it. Now can I write instead of EHO 40 plus Z, because 40 plus Z is making EHO. Two parts of the angles, one is 40 degree, another is Z. So we are writing 40 plus Z is equal to 70 degree. So from here you can find out the value of Z. Z is equal to 70 degree minus 40 degree. Therefore Z is equal to 30 degree. Now you have find out already X, you have find out, and you have find out already Z. Now what is 40 degree? See again, this line is parallel to this line and HP is the transversal. HP is the transversal. Therefore y is equal to 40 degree. Y is equal to 40 degree. You can see that EP, EH and PO are two angles, two parallel lines, and angle this is equal to 40 degree. You have to find value of y. So it is very clear to you that these two are alternate angles because interior angles on the opposite sides of the transversion. So they are alternate angles. So we can write y is equal to 40 degree directly. Now y is equal to 40 degree, we have written that it is alternate angle. So everywhere we have to give the property which one we are using to find these unknown angles. Now all the angles you find out. X is equal to 110, y is equal to 40 and z is equal to 30 degree. So you have to find the answer in this way. Next sum is, now question number 8. The following figures, guns, GUNS and RUNS. Two figures are given here. Here GUNS and RUNS are parallelograms. Both are parallelograms. Find x and y. You have to find the value of x in the first diagram. Value of x and y means the length of x and y. Here also you have to find the value of x and y. In both the cases, these x and y indicating lengths, so you have to find the lengths in centimeter. Now, in this diagram, come to question number 1. GUNS is a parallelogram and you know that opposite sides are always equal. So, the solution GUNS is a parallelogram. Therefore, GS is equal to UN, reason opposite sides of the parallelogram. Opposite sides of the parallelogram are always equal. GS is equal to UN. So value of GS is equal to 3x and UN is equal to 18. Therefore, S is equal to 18, not S, X is equal to 18 by 3, that is 6. Therefore, value of X is equal to 6 centimeter. Similarly, SN GU is equal to SN, reason same, opposite sides of the parallelogram. GU means 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. Therefore, 3y is equal to 26 plus 1, that is 27. Therefore, y is equal to 27 by 3 equal to 9. So, whatever the values you have got here for x is equal to 6 centimeter, y is equal to 9 centimeter for question number 1. X is equal to 6 centimeter and y is equal to 9 centimeter. Understood? Come to the next sum. Now in second sum, RUNS is a parallelogram. SU and RN are two diagonals. They intersect, let them intersect at O. And you know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. When we have discussed the diagonals property of a parallelogram, we know that the diagonals intersect at their midpoint. So let they may intersect at O. Therefore, OS is equal to OU and OR is equal to ON. So whatever we have discussed here, we will write now. RUNS is a parallelogram. It is given. RN and SU are two diagonals. Let RN and SU intersect at O. Therefore, OU is equal to OS, as diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, OU means y plus 7 and OS means 20, it is given. Now it is easily you can find the value of y. 20 minus 7, that is 13. In the same way, you can find the value of y also, x also. Similarly, ON is equal to OR, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. ON, that means x plus y. X plus y is equal to OR means 16. It is given. So y, value of y you know. Therefore x plus 13 is equal to 16. Therefore x is equal to 16 minus 13, that is 3. X is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 3 centimeter and y is equal to 13 centimeter. I hope whatever we have discussed here you understood. You need to practice it. Thank you, students.